Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 165 with a market cap of about $237 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume for about $121 million, and today we are basically going to look at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? So as you can see right here for YFI, right, basically we are up 9.2% on the day. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we have been seeing this right here for YFI, even though YFI had a slow start, right? As you know, we have been accumulating right down through the $5,000 region. For some of you that has been following us on the channel, you would know from September to October, we were accumulating, right, YFI right here at this low levels in the $5,000 level, right? As you can see right here, we saw this cross, which still showed us we were bullish. We saw this huge consolidation, right? While a lot of coins were pushing to the upside, YFI was basically having this consolidation, but we said YFI was still bullish, and we were expecting prices to see right here at our first target, which was 7,300 for our first target right here for YFI. As you can see, we basically came just very shy of our first target, and currently we are seeing this huge consolidation, right? We saw this sort of fake out yesterday. Can you see it with the fake out? The fake out went exactly to the 200 EMA. Guys, you can't make this up, right? That's why we said EMA based strategies are the best strategies, right? Exactly to the 200 EMA, and then we bounced back. As you can see, we have pushed up a whopping how many percent today? Just from yesterday, we have seen a whopping 15% push to the upside right here for YFI, right? And so we have gotten close to our first target, which is the 7,370. Our second target right here for YFI is the 7,936, right? So we could still see YFI have some sort of consolidation and see another push of about 11% to the upside right here for YFI. So YFI still remains bullish, even though we could see some consolidation over the next few days. As we need to cool down, we have seen this huge pump. We could see some little consolidation and then some push to the $7,900 level. Basically, as you can see on the volume profile still remains bullish. Momentum is favor of the bulls, strong bullish price action, and so we could see furthermore upside right here for YFI, as YFI still remains very, very bullish at the moment, right? So that is the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.